Did you know that over 75% of modern car breakdowns are caused by poor maintenance? Most people assume their car will only last about 150,000 miles before it's done for, but that's far from the truth. With the right habits, your car can run for over 300,000 miles or even 500,000 without major repairs. In this video, we'll reveal insider tips from expert mechanics and industry pros on how to keep your car running strong and save thousands in repair costs. Let's dive into 15 essential habits that can extend the life of your car for decades. Number 1. Don't blindly follow the factory oil change interval, 10,000 miles. On paper, long oil change intervals sound cost-effective and convenient, but in reality, especially if you're stuck in traffic, drive stop and go, or live in hot, dusty areas, this can slowly destroy your engine. Many automakers now recommend 10,000-mile intervals, thanks to synthetic oils and engine tech. But those numbers are based on ideal conditions and designed to keep ownership costs low during warranty. After the warranty, the risk is all yours. Solution: experienced mechanics recommend changing your full synthetic oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months. This sweet spot keeps the engine clean, ensures optimal lubrication, and prevents sludge buildup. Ignore this, and you risk oil leaks, thick sludge, and engine failure, repairs that can cost $4,000 or more. Number 2. Regularly replace your transmission fluid. Too many drivers ignore transmission maintenance until it starts slipping. By then, it's already too late. Unlike motor oil, transmission fluid often has no clear schedule in your owner's manual. Some manufacturers even label it lifetime fluid, which is misleading. Reality: after 60,000 miles, transmission fluid can contain microscopic clutch debris, metal shavings, and varnish. Basically, liquid sandpaper. Solution: do a drain and fill every 60,000 miles or 6 years, whichever comes first. For hybrids, you can stretch it to 90,000 miles, but never more. Avoid full flushes on older, never-serviced transmissions. This can stir up gunk that helps maintain pressure. Always use OEM-recommended transmission fluid. Transmission rebuilds start at 3,000 and can reach much higher on CVTs or European models. Number 3. Flush your coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Coolant doesn't last forever. Waiting 100,000 miles is a costly gamble. Modern coolants last longer, but after 5 years of thermal cycling, they become acidic. When that happens, it starts corroding. Instead of protecting, damaging water pumps, seals, heater cores, and worst of all, head gaskets. White smoke from the exhaust, random misfires, vanishing coolant. Your engine is crying for help. Solution: replace coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Don't wait for 100K. Coolant is cheap, engines are not. Number 4. Replace your timing belt before it fails. When was the last time you thought about your timing belt? Probably never, but this hidden rubber belt controls critical engine components. If it snaps while driving, pistons can slam into valves and destroy your engine. Repairs can run $2,000 to $5,000 plus. Solution: replace it every 60 to 100,000 miles or every 7 to 10 years. Don't wait for noise or warning signs. Timing belts often fail silently and catastrophically. Number 5. Keep your spark plugs fresh. Worn spark plugs can reduce your fuel efficiency by up to 30%. Weak sparks lead to poor combustion, wasted gas, and loss of power. Solution: most cars need new plugs every 60,000 pounds, 100,000 miles. Depending on the type, iridium lasts longer than copper. Watch out for rough idling, slow starts, and weak acceleration. These may signal failing plugs or ignition coils. Number 6. Replace your fuel filter as recommended. Over time, dirt, rust, and microscopic particles clog your fuel filter. As it gets blocked, your fuel pump works harder until it burns out. Solution: replacing a $5 fuel filter can prevent a $500, $1,000 fuel pump job. Most cars need a new filter every 30,000, 60,000 miles, closer to 30K for older models. Some newer cars have in-tank filters rated to 100K. Pro tip: always relieve fuel pressure before removing the filter. Number 7. Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid absorbs water over time, reducing its boiling point. This can lead to vapor lock in stop-and-go traffic, causing spongy pedals or even complete brake failure. Solution: use a brake fluid tester, around $1.50, to check the water content. If it's above 3%, flush the brake fluid. Your life depends on your brakes. Don't take the risk. Number 8. Service your differential and transfer case regularly. These components handle extreme torque and get dirty over time. Solution: for RWD and AWD vehicles, change differential fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Use manufacturer recommended fluids. Number 9. Clean the mass airflow, MAF, sensor. This sensor reads incoming air volume and helps regulate fuel mixture. Dirt and oil buildup can throw off readings, leading to hesitation, stalling, or poor fuel economy. Solution: use dedicated MAF cleaner, never brake cleaner or WD-40, to clean the sensor before replacing it. A $10 can might save you $300 in parts. Number 10. Replace the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation. A stuck or clogged PCV valve can cause oil leaks, poor performance, or excessive oil consumption. Solution: replace every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. It's cheap, $10, $20, and can prevent costly engine seal damage. Number 11. Get a wheel alignment every 15,000 miles, or when the steering feels off. Misalignment can shorten tire life by 30% and hurt fuel economy by up to 10%. Signs: uneven tire wear, car pulling to one side, or crooked steering wheel. Solution: a $75 to $100 alignment keeps your car stable and tires lasting longer. Number 12. Avoid revving a cold engine. Cold oil is thick and sluggish. Revving before full circulation forces dry metal on metal contact. Solution: let your engine idle for 30,000 to 60 seconds before driving gently. Keep RPMs below 3,000 until the temp gauge starts to rise. Revving a cold turbocharged engine is even worse. Number 13. Wash the undercarriage. Every season, especially in winter, out of sight doesn't mean out of harm. Salt, dirt, and grime corrode brake lines, suspension, exhaust pipes, and even your car's frame. Solution: wash the underbody at least once per season. In snowy areas, do it monthly during winter. If you live near the ocean, salt air can do similar damage. So stay vigilant year-round. Number 14. Clean your radiator and condenser. Regularly, debris buildup reduces airflow, causing overheating and AC failure. Solution: gently rinse radiator fins every few months using low-pressure water. Avoid pressure washers. They'll bend the delicate fins. Also inspect the radiator cap. It must hold pressure to prevent leaks. Number 15. Maintain all rubber seals and weather stripping. Worn rubber seals let in dirt and moisture, damaging internal systems and reducing ride comfort. Solution: use silicone protectant or rubber conditioner regularly. Inspect all seals every 10,000 miles. Replace cracked seals before they cause bigger issues. One habit separates regular owners from true car lovers. A maintenance log. Record every oil change, tire rotation, or filter replacement with date and mileage. Why? If problems arise, logs help spot patterns, like unexpected oil consumption. Shops appreciate detailed logs and are less likely to recommend unnecessary work. And if you ever sell your car, a logbook boosts buyer confidence and resale value. Even a $2 notebook or free app can protect your investment for years to come. If you learned something today, hit that like button and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Which habit have you been ignoring? Let us know in the comments and share this video with a friend who wants their car to last forever.